How to position edge panel handle to left and right on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on edge panels. After click on edge panels, click on handle. After click on handle, you will see position is here. If you want to set position on left, click on left. If you want to set handle position right, click on right. So you will set left and right position from here. After set handle position, go back to home screen. So that's how you can position edge panel handle to left and right on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.